Muhammad AIMAN Hakim bin Asmadi,
Muhammad RIDZUAN bin Kaiser,
Muhammad IRFAN bin Shamani,
Muhammad FIRDAUS bin Sayyid.
Hello and welcome to our group assignment video. Today we will be explaining about differentiation and we will also show you a way to solve a question that was given to us by our lecturer. We hope that you will find this video informative and knowledgeable.
Differentiation is a fundamental tool in calculus. But first, we need to know what is differentiation. In mathematics, differentiation is a process of finding a derivative or rate of change of a function. Derivative of a function of a real variable measures the sensitivity to change of the function value, which is the output value, with respect to a change in its argument, which is input value. In simple terms, derivative refers to the rate of change of y with respect to x. This can be expressed as y equal to fx, which means y is a function of x. Derivative of a function fx is defined as the function whose value generates the slope of fx, where it is differentiable. It refers to the slope of the graph at a given point. Now that we know what is differentiation, what can we use it for? Well, we can use differentiation to solve various of problems of applications in mathematics using various of methods, such as tangent and normal line to a curve, linear approximations and differentials, minimum and maximum values, and increasing and decreasing functions. We can also use differentiation to solve real-life problems. Differentiation can be applied to find related rates. Related rates problem involve finding a rate at which a quantity changes by relating that quantity to other quantities, whose rates of change are known. The rate of change is usually with respect to time. For example, assume that air is being pumped into a spherical balloon at a rate of 5 cm³ per minute. We can determine the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing when the diameter of the balloon is 20 cm. We can also analyze functions. There are two types of function that we can analyze, which is polynomial function and rational function. Polynomial function is a function such as quadratic, a cubic, and so on, while rational function is a function which can be written as the ratio of two polynomial functions, where the polynomial in the denominator is not equal to 0. We mostly use analysis of function in engineering and to find profit or loss in business. Next, we can also apply maximum and minimum. We use this method to find a quantity that is to maximize or minimize. For example, a closed cylindrical container of radius r cm and height h cm to be made to hold 600 cm³ of liquid. We can apply this method to find the values of r and h that minimize the total surface area of the container. And the last one is Ross and mean value theorem. This theorem states that if a function is continuous on closed interval AB and differentiable on the open interval AB, then there is a number c in the interval AB. For instance, a truck travels 200 km on a toll road with a speed limit of 80 km per hour. The truck arrives at destination in 2 hours, but at the end, he is issued a speeding ticket. This is because the truck travels continuously and the speed changes. So at one point, the truck must exceed the speed limit.
Thank you for the introduction, RIDZUAN. And now we will be going into some of the problem statement, which is a question, but it will be acted out by one of our group members, which is FIRDAUS.
My name is FIRDAUS and I am a farmer. This is my field.
with an area of 1.5 million square feet, and I would like to fence my area into a rectangle shape. So after that, I want to divide it into half. So the problem is, how can I make it as lowest cost as possible?
Now we will proceed to the answer of the question, which will be delivered by IRFAN.
A farmer wants to fence an area of 1.5 million square feet in a rectangular field and then divide it in half with a fence parallel to one of the sides of the rectangle. How can he do this so as to minimize the cost of the fence? Okay, the condition for this question is the fence must be divided into the half and must be parallel to the side of the rectangle. And the area of this fence must be 1.5 million square feet in a rectangular field. But how can he do this so as to minimize the cost of the fence? So, based on the question, the unknown for this question is the length of the fence that the farmer can use to minimize the cost of the fence. To answer this question, the first formula that we will use is the formula of area, which is x times y equal to 1,500,000. Then x will equal to 1,500,000 over y. Then we will continue to the second step, which is the second formula, perimeter. P equal to 3x plus 2y. Then replace the x in the formula, which is 3 with the bracket 1,500,000 over y plus 2y, then equal to 4,500,000 over y plus 2y. After that, we will derivative dp over dy equal to negative 4,500,000 over y power of 2 plus 2. Then derivative dp over dy equal to 0. After that, we will solve for y. Negative 4,500,000 over y power of 2 plus 2 will equal to 0. Negative 4,500,000 equal to negative 2 y power of 2. 4,500,000 equal to 2 y power of 2. Y will be equal to square root 2,250,000. Then y will equal to 1,500. After getting the value of y, which is equal to 1,500, we will continue to find the value of x by using x equal to 1,500,000 over y. Then x will equal to 1,500,000 over 1,500, and x will equal to 1,000. So, to minimize the cost of fence, the farmer needs to use x and y as measurements for his fence, which is x equal to 1,000 feet and y equal to 1,500 feet.
And that's all from us. We hope you find this video is very useful and informative for you. As for conclusion, we find that differentiation is very useful in our life, especially in finding the minimum and the maximum cost. Well, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.